When looking for nursing evidence-based research, try using the PICO framework. What is PICO? PICO is a method used for developing comprehensive clinical research questions and to help you identify keywords. PICO is primarily used when looking for answers to specific patient problems, types of interventions, and outcomes, rather than a general search on a topic. PICO stands for Patient, Problem, Intervention, Comparison, Outcome, and Time or Type. Rather than entering your entire clinical question in the database's search box, we can optimize our search by identifying keywords for each of the PICO categories. In CINAHL, click on the PICO Search button to get started. If our search question is, does using an ice cap during chemotherapy for cancer patients prevent hair loss after treatment? Our PICO search might be cancer patients, chemotherapy, ice cap chemotherapy, hair loss after treatment. If you haven't fully developed your question, you can leave the comparison, outcome, time, or type boxes blank. However, the patient problem and intervention boxes will need keywords in order for PICO to yield some results. We can also refine our search a number of easy ways, such as modify our search by removing some of the terms. This will expand the number of results we get if our results list is too small. We can also replace our PICO keywords with validated subject terms. You can view these either by looking at the subject terms listed below each of the results, or by browsing CINAHL subject headings in the All Filters subject major headings. Browse all the filters to limit date, geographical location, source type, and more. For more help on how to use our databases, check out our other videos and research guides. And if you have any questions, ask a librarian. We're here to help.